What if you could eliminate factors that cause uncertainty in soil moisture data? Factors like air gaps, soil disturbance, and preferential flow. That's why we created the TEROS Installation Tool. The TEROS Installation Tool delivers consistent, error-free installation into any soil type. Sensors are installed at precise depths. They glide straight in with uniform pressure and are then gently released to prevent air gaps. Since only a small borehole is needed, you can perform a deeper installation with little site disturbance and far less effort. At Meter, we want accurate soil moisture data to be simple. Combine the installation tool with our TEROS 12 sensors and our cellular data loggers, where all your data can be connected and delivered through the cloud, so you can sit back and let the data flow. At Meter, we make accuracy easier. Contact us now for a custom quote.